today we get into it with this bathroom, putting up the ceiling. What's cracking, y'all? It's a new day and we are back making this event space great again. So, check out the hoodie one time. Don't forget to hit that link in the description. Go check out artlock.com so y'all can get y'all some shirts about my family of business, or you want to get y'all some family tees. Check it out. But today we get into it with this bathroom. I already actually been working. You can probably see the marks around my eyes from this mask. Putting up the ceiling in this bathroom, putting the studs up there first so we can have something to screw to when it comes to putting the drywall up. Come on, focus. What I did, I went ahead and put my 2x4 around there. As you see, we're gonna lower that ceiling back to where it was because this vent right here got to get connected. So see my wood right here, I got a screw across there. Them studs was already there, but on the other side I actually had to put a few more in. And then over here, see I'm working in the dark too, but see put my board all the way around the edge. You can see like so. Screwed it to those little studs there, had to cut a few of them up. And then what we gonna do after we got this board up, this one, and this one, then we can start running them left to right. So you can see I got my first board up here, then my next one will go here, and so on and so on. And that's what we gonna have our brace for our drywall. See, I actually wrote my measurements on there. So what I'm doing here is just chopping up my wood, and I'm gonna go up there and screw it. Even though we got lights in here, we don't got lights in this bathroom because there's no light bulbs. I guess I could throw some light bulbs in there. This vent right here, I pulled this down and it's like a bird nest in there. It was a bunch of little dust when I was shaking this right here, so I pulled that out, whole damn bird nest. So I just stuffed that joint back in there. Then I'm gonna grab my shop vac, suck that stuff out of there, and we're gonna see what's coming out. But this boy looking good. Come on, be focused. All right, go. And so what I do when I install these right here, I cut them a tad bit, like a quarter longer than what it actually is, so I can smack it in and it can be like very snug. And then I throw a screw at the bottom and I throw a screw at the top. I was gonna use my nail gun, but I just use the screws. I don't want the nail gun to like blow a hole out of there. So we're gonna need probably like 4 or 5 more studs. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. Well, 6, 7. So fresh from the home inspection. Don't look bad at all. Definitely been replaced recently. Look real good. But if we scroll in here, actually got a bullet in the roof. Look pretty crazy. Back to work. I just got done putting up this wood for this bathroom. Now I see that I need to get some corrugated. Well, actually some flex duct for these lights. Gotta get some flex duct because it do not attach to here. I'm just throwing these old lights back up there. I'm not sure if they want some new ones, but they work. So I just gotta get some longer duct because I'm not sure how they had these. And they probably wasn't in the center, or I don't know what was going on. But this ain't gonna work. So I gotta get some flex duct so I can be able to connect that. I think that's 4 inches. Yeah, over here in this bathroom. Of course we got the ceilings done with the studs. So that's looking good, but same thing here. Gotta get a flex duct to reach all the way over here. And then we're gonna be good to go to throw up some drywall. And honestly, after I finish that ceiling, maybe this back wall need to get drywall, but it's kind of weird because when it rained, this back wall down here leaked. And that was the reason why the drywall got taken off. And this wall was getting wet as well. So they supposed to be coming out and fix this roof, because as you can see, when I first walked through this property, I peeped that it could be leaking. Look, all that is just sagging. And got some real ugly spots right there. Even got a bucket right there to catch the water, and it's raining, so. Yep, I hear the rain. Damn, hopefully it's gonna get the leaking and be all wet and shit. All right, so we up here installing this duct right here. So this is where I'm connecting it to here. See, I already made a connection here. Got the little ring around it to snap this tight down on this duct. Then over here, I'm doing the same thing. So I'll put the ring around there, and then I'm gonna put it over this hole here, just tighten it down. That's with the other fan over there. And you see what's going to end up going out of here. So I just cleaned out the bird nest that was in here. And now I just got to put another ring on there, tighten that down. Make sure all that's good, but I gotta go. And that other one over there. So I'm just about to connect this one up right here, and then go on the other side and then connect it to the fan. Just like I got this one connected here. So back to it. Got the lights and the vents vented out now. What I'm about to do now is throw up this piece of drywall. Throw that boy up there, so we can start closing that up. Over here, I got these vents connected also, so we're putting outside. Yeah, this one will be ready for drywall, but we probably gotta hold off on here until these people come replace this window. But time to put up some drywall. Go ahead and throw these couple pieces up here, and then I'll probably be done for the day. Got the ceiling up, and it's looking good. Just need some mud, then some taping and all that good stuff. Of course, this one is still like this, so this is before and after. So I don't even know what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. Maybe mud in that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so today I've been in mud, man. Even though I said I wasn't gonna do this, so I went ahead and mudded the bathroom. It's gonna need a second coat tomorrow. So I was gonna wait and throw up the ceiling, but I'm just gonna throw it up. They just gonna have to do whatever they gotta do to replace that window. But I mudded, it was like some old, probably like one coat of mud they put over this tape that was here before, and they just painted over it. So I just hit it with another coat to hide that. Don't nobody wanna see that, at least I don't. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to hit this with a second coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw that ceiling up tomorrow and then mud that. Actually ended up throwing a second coat on this back wall right here because it was a little exposed, like some of the taping and stuff like that. So we wanted that smooth. Bam, see that back wall? I threw up some drywall. I got it mudded up also. And I also just went around, mudded this wall here, and kind of did a bunch of little spots. That's gonna have to get a second coat. Mudded that around there. So for the most part, we're looking good. I'm gonna have to mud this back wall back here and tape some of that up. And I think that's about it. I hit this wall up here. Had to knock some stuff down. See, we got a mess in here now, but I had to go around and do some scraping also. Out here in the vestibule, went ahead and mudded that up there, taped up some cracks. And I'm gonna have to probably patch that down there also, some drywall or something, and hit that crack right there. But yeah, I'll let y'all to my day.
Okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.